Hello, today we will guide you through how to make transparent image in PowerPoint. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the simple process of inserting an image into PowerPoint and adjusting its transparency so it blends more smoothly into your slide design. This can be especially useful when you want an image to sit behind text, create a softer visual effect, or make your presentation look more polished. To begin, open PowerPoint and go to the presentation where you want to work. Once you're on the slide where the image should appear, look at the top ribbon and click on Insert. This is where PowerPoint keeps the tools for adding new content to your slide, including images, shapes, charts, and more. Next, click on Picture. This will open the image insertion option so you can choose where your file is coming from. From there, select this PC, then browse to the location of the sample picture you want to use. When you find the image, click on the sample picture to select it. This places the image onto your slide so you can begin editing it. Once the picture is inserted, make sure it is selected. You should see editing options appear at the top of PowerPoint. Now click on Format Picture at the top. This is the area where you can adjust how the image looks, including effects like brightness, size, and transparency. After that, click on Transparency. This setting controls how see-through the image becomes. A lower transparency level keeps the picture more solid and vivid, while a higher transparency level makes it fade more into the background. This is useful when you want to keep the image visible without letting it overpower the rest of your slide content. Now drag the slider to adjust the transparency to the level you want. As you move the slider, you'll see the image update in real time, which makes it easy to find the right balance. If the image is meant to support text, try increasing the transparency until the text remains easy to read. If the image is part of the main visual, you may want to use a lighter adjustment. Take a moment to fine-tune the setting until it looks right on your slide. Small changes can make a big difference in overall presentation quality. And that's it. You've successfully made an image transparent in PowerPoint.